Welcome to my channel. I'm speaking too slowly because I just woke up. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. It is Saturday. Just filming a morning routine. What I do in the morning. We start by combing our hair first thing in the morning. We're going to try a group. I can pick up. Shall we do some unboxing? I think I have too many packages to unbox. We can do it in the video. Let's do some unboxing, you guys. Let's unbox. I have a book. Which they didn't wrap and sent me, but I have a book. It's The Murder Most Unladylike Life by Robin Stevens. I want to read one book like this, so I just got it. I'm not really a book person who reads a lot, so he reads a lot of books. I wanted to, so I just bought it. And we have more packages. I bought one size bigger than my size. Okay, let's go. I bought another one. There's so much of that. It's really pretty. I wanted to wear it with one of the shorts that I have. I just bought it. There are so many. I need to clean the space before I work out. Okay, bye. Done with unboxing. currently, what is the time? It is 9:13. I'm done with my work. I showered, I think I exercised, I did some work, I showered, I took a shower. Now I'll head out. I got ready and now I will head out to run some errands, and that is it for my, I think I just did film the morning part. Okay, bye.